Hey guys, we're Garrett and Jill.
My name is Tanya.
My name is Joy, and these are my kids.
Hi, my name is Joel.
My name is Kras.
My name is Maria.
I'm originally from Bhutan.
From Calgary, Alberta.
And I am originally from the Philippines.
I am a mother of 4 children.
I've been driving long haul for 19 years.
I'm a mom and I work in the IT industry.
I come from a very strenuous construction background, and man, am I glad to be doing what I'm doing today.
We have done something for everyday people just like us, just like yourselves.
The reality is we're in the middle of the technology revolution, right? I mean, every day people are losing their jobs. Companies are competing with online businesses. They can't afford to look after their employees. So people have to start waking up to this. They have to start looking after themselves.
So we started working online 3 years ago. One of my main reasons for starting is we have 3 young kids. I didn't want to miss a single second with them. I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom.
The reason why we want to start an online business, because this is where the world is going.
I wanted a change for me and my family. I needed to find a business that would run for me 24/7 so I could have that life with my kids and enjoy every moment that I could with them.
I love what I do, but it's come at a cost. It's time to back the truck up and focus on family and creating new memories.
I also wanted to retire before I turned 50.
Everyone wants to have a time freedom in their life.
We're here at the park, enjoying life, making memories with the people who really matter. And at the same time, I still earn a living.
This frees up so much extra time and I get to spend it with my family.
We just decided to travel all over the world.
We are able to pay off our bills, and this is really a great blessing.
Look, only months into the system, I've seen great results into my business, and I couldn't be happier with my decision.
If you're always on your smartphone, why not learn how to leverage social media? All you need is your digital devices and an internet connection.
There's a system that's working for people, and it's working for people all over the world.
People, thousands of people. So come join us. Come check it out.
A year from now, if you start today, you will absolutely thank yourself.
All you need to do is decide and take action.
Why not invest in yourself? Business is awesome.
So if we can do it,
So can you!